This video has been made possible by BENQ. If you're a digital artist in need of a professional grade monitor, then check out BENQ.com. Hey everybody, and welcome to the 10th and final video in the Freelance series. Now this video is going to be about how to make your business sustainable, right? Before we get into that, I want to thank those of you who followed the course, who gave me all the positive comments. I know this is a series that's not for everyone, but those of you who have checked it out seem to like it very much, so good. All right, so before we dive in, I want to wish you all happy holidays. Whatever you are celebrating, even if you're not celebrating anything, I hope your next year will be better than this one. And that said, let's jump into the video. Okay, so in the video 1 to 9, we talked about a lot of things important for your business, right? We talked about revenue and cost and profit and all that stuff. Now, sustainability is related to keeping your business alive, basically, right? So how do you keep your business at a certain level or rate? The problem there is, though, that a business is kind of an organic thing, right? It grows, it shrinks, it costs more money, it costs less money, and so forth. So it's a dynamic thing. You are constantly tweaking. Some months you have less clients, other months you have, big projects, you have more time, less time, and so on. So it's very important to keep a finger on the pulse, if you will, to understand what's going on. Don't do a business case or a business plan and think 5 years later, oh, I'm still good, right? You constantly need to look at those numbers, and not just numbers, but look at everything that is related to the health of your company. Maybe your skills are not up to date, right? Maybe you are working for clients that don't have a future because they are in big financial trouble. Now, if these clients are a big portion of your business, you need to consider spreading that out, right? Okay, so how do you do that? Well, it's a matter of setting the right priorities, obviously. But the first priority for your business, above anything else, is continuity, right? You want to keep the doors open, you want to keep going. So if you think of it as a pyramid, then the continuity is at the very top, right? Okay, so what do you need to continue? You need to have money, right? And you need to have more money coming in than going out. That's pretty obvious. So everything basically you do has to bring value to your company. And you need to reconsider every time you're doing something, does this have value for my company? Is this going to bring in money, or not just money, but bring in value, right? I mean, upgrading your skills is an investment for the future, for example, but it does cost money. So you're spending money on it, but maybe it'll be another 6 months or a year before you see anything in return, okay? So look at the things that are most essential. Continuity is number one. So that means money, right? Revenue, cost, profit. Keep an eye on your costs. Always look for ways not only to bring costs down, but to look at ways how you spend your money, and if you can do that in a more efficient way. That way you don't necessarily have to get rid of things, but maybe you can get more bang for your buck, right? And then the same thing on the other side when it comes to revenue. Maybe you have great revenue, but your profit isn't that great, right? Look at your sales process. Are you doing too much meetings? Is it inefficient? Are you making a lot of cost to do these meetings, right? That's all you do on the financial side. Now, from a human perspective, it is critical that you stay motivated, right? If you're a business owner, you are going to run into hard times at some point. Having a tough time finding clients, having a tough time being creative. You need to find ways to re-energize, whether it's sports or hobbies or whatever. There has to be a correct balance, like everything in life, right? But the key thing to take away here is when it comes to sustaining your company, see it as an organic thing. It's a living, breathing, organic thing, and you need to take care of it like you take care of yourself, or, for example, like you take care of a pet, right? That's what I want to close this series with, guys. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a very different thing than what I normally do. Stay tuned for January 1st, because January 1st we're going to announce a brand new 3D modeling challenge with cool prizes to win. Okay, so stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next year. Bye.